What's up, YouTube? This is my C++ Minecraft clone, and today we'll be doing 3 hours of work. And first I'll do a summary what happened in the previous stream, and then I'll tell you guys what the plan is for this stream, what I think the plan will be. And at the end of the stream, we'll do once again a summary on what happened today. So in the previous stream, we managed to add block states. Actually, I always forget we need to start Minecraft as well. But we have block states. What does that mean? Well, we can interact with blocks, and blocks can interact with each other. And that's huge, because the goal is to have redstone dust. And here I'll show you. This is the simplest example I can show on what a block state is. Here, this is snow. This is the snow layer. And with the stick I'm holding, it's a debug stick. I can change the block state by selecting it. And here I've selected the layers. Here you can see for the snow, it has a block state, which is just an integer, the layers. And right now it is at 1. And when I right click with the stick, I change that block state, which is just an integer, the layers. It increases it. And that's what we have in our clone. Here, for now, only the torch, the redstone torch, has a block state. Which is the same block state as in Minecraft. Which is, where is it? Yeah, here it is. Oh, I already have it. And there we have the bunny again. So when we place the torch and we go in F3, we can see it has the boolean if it's lit or not. This is the block state. Yo, hello, what's up? Can you notice on the bottom right? You are showing on the screen. Yeah, I worked on this today. Hope it was worth it. What's up, Flux? Man, this widget is so cool. Yo, hello. Redman office. What's up? Do you like the little widget at the bottom right? Do you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, I think you should be able to see it. It's so cool. Yeah, so we can change the block state. We can change the block state in our Minecraft clone. That's what happened in the previous stream. And in this stream, the goal will be to have redstone dust. That will be the goal. And redstone dust also has a block state. And that's why we had to invest some time to implement it in the previous stream. And what block state does it? The chat is visible, so cool. Yeah, it's awesome, man. I'm so hyped about the visible chat. It's so cool. We're just testing it in this stream. If it's not worth it, I'll remove it. It's an experiment. I'll decide if we're going to keep it. Let's go back here inside of this redstone place. So the goal is to have the redstone dust. And so when we right click it, the redstone dust, no, here when we right click it, it changes the block state. This is what we're going to add in this stream. And we have a limit of 3 hours. Yo, hello. Game zone, what's up? Do you see the little widget down in the right corner? Do you notice it? Is it cool? We'll be adding the redstone dust. Yo, hello. Marcel, what's up? Man, this widget's so cool. We'll be adding the redstone dust. And do you plan make tomorrow live? Yeah, I'll be live tomorrow as well. My plan is to have this redstone dust with a state. That's my plan for this stream. So, oh, I think I need to move chat. You're in the way a bit. Where should I put you guys? Where should I put you guys? I'll put you guys here maybe, or down here. Yeah, in left corner. In left corner. I'll put you guys there. Hello, what's up? Hey. What's up? Maybe a little bit more up. Why are you in desert biome now? It's temporarily. I can add other biomes as well. Or maybe here in the top left. No, I'm deciding where to put chat. Okay, I have an idea. You'll stay here. You will stay here, and I'll just move the other things. I'll move this to the left. I'll move that to the left. And I lost my windows. Where is the chat? Here is the chat. You could add some sort of drop shadow to it's not really readable sometimes. When will you continue your Java clone? We will not talk about the Java clone. The Java clone is taking a break. Yeah, let's move chat again. Chat keeps moving. Where is error block? There isn't no error block. Do you heard what happened in Poland? No. Please, let's focus on Minecraft. Like, people go on YouTube to distract themselves from reality. Let's not bring reality into our little corner here. We're just making a Minecraft clone. A drop shadow would be nice, actually. Drop shadow would be nice. To chat, so you guys can see chat. Show avatar. What sources you get textures from? I get them from Blockbench. Blockbench has them. Yeah, I know how to fix chat. I need to make you guys visible again, so that I can add a drop shadow to you guys. Yeah, here, opacity. Or from here, settings, widgets. Yeah, I'll have to remove you guys. Why didn't you continue the project at the unit? Why didn't you continue the project at the Unity project? Unity project was an experiment just to see what Unity is capable of. I was testing out different engines, and I landed on Raylib. My favorite one is Raylib as of now. Yeah, let's remove you guys. Transparent chat. Yeah, okay. And let's copy this widget. New widget. Zack. And you guys are back. Question. How many clones do you have right now? Too many. Too many, man. I'm trying to add background opacity. Yeah. Trying to add a drop shadow for you guys. Yeah, I won't be able to add a drop shadow. Sadly. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It shouldn't be that bad. Opacity level increase. Okay, okay. This solved it. Okay, nice. Never let me open exe files. I will need more context. Sorry. Sorry, man. I'll need more context. Yeah, okay. Let's start the project. Yeah, we have the block state. The goal is to finish the Redstone dust. When I want to make my own clone in exe file in Visual Studio, it won't let me open file when I even run as administrator. Just run it in Visual Studio. Don't worry about it. If you can, like here when you run in Visual Studio, that's enough. Let me see now. When we right click, let's make it so here we add the redstone. How much progress of redstone did you make? Well, we have the full redstone mesh, the redstone dust mesh. We just need to change it, and we have the collision boxes that work. We have the collision boxes, and we have a block state. We have block state. Now we need to actually, for the redstone torch, we have block state. We need to add block state for the redstone dust as well. And that will be the goal for this stream, to make it actually work. Let me think about it. Add particles. Particles are not a priority. Will redstone be super optimized? Hopefully we're in C++, we have an advantage. I don't know tal on what's that. Let's see now. Where is the redstone block? It's here, redstone dust. And let's see what Minecraft uses. They used east, can be none, side, and up. So there are 1, 2, 3 options. There are 3 options. How you got the stick? With a command like give debug stick. Debug stick. We'll just do the command. So what type should be east, north, southwest? They can be an integer, but it will be difficult to figure out what it means. I'll just do enums. Let's see now. Yeah, here we have the power level, which is from 0 to 15, I think. Yeah, how much is the maximum power? Yo, what's up, Wix? You can do enum bitfield. Enum bitfield. What's that? Enum bitfield. What's an enum bitfield? Yeah, too complicated. We can do a simple approach. It's all right. We can always optimize later. What's the maximum power? The maximum power is 15. So, what happened? Maximum power is 15. So here, power 0 to 15 is the power. That's important to know. So here we can add an enum. Micro has bad algorithm with Redstone. If it's a bad algorithm, then that's perfect for me. It will be easier to replicate it. We can always improve it later. Question: why sometimes my HTML code Minecraft have white grass? Just change the coloring. No, for Redstone power, just use what I told you yesterday because that limits it to 0 to 15. So here, like, what was it? uint 8t? It was that? Like 8 bits? It says 4 byte size. Doesn't matter. What should the enum be? What should I call it? Yeah, int. Oh, I'm doing uint. Int 8. And it's again 4 bytes. Oh, you're saying here to do 4? What's that? It doesn't allow it. Yeah, but it still says it is 4 bytes. Where you learned Visual Studio? What do you mean? Like, this is just a text editor. What is there to learn? That's bit filled. Here, I'm focusing on this, on this, where the block state. That's what I'm focusing right now. Here we can see the east can be like none, side and up, and I want my enum, like whatever it's called, to be none, side and up, like that. But what should I call the enum? So here I would have it be it would be east, and here it would be like north, south, I removed 4 because it gave me some kind of an error. Oh, okay, it's fine now. That's interesting. What? Dude, it's 1 byte. Yo, you're a magician, Wix. Yo, it's 1 byte now. Yo, that's super cool. Yo, that's cool. It's saying here 1 byte. 4 bits. How many bits is 1 byte? 8 bits? Here, redstone state. Ignore that, it is wrong. Okay, I'll ignore it. What should I call this? Somebody said redstone state. We are adding the redstone dust. That's what we're doing. Redstone state. I feel like there could be a better name, but we can just do like state. Let's just do it state, because we're inside of redstone dust. Like, we don't need to put redstone here as well. So east, north, south, and west. And west. Yeah, and west. Yeah, perfect. We'll be using these when rendering it. Here when we generate the mesh. What happened to farlands? What do you mean farlands? Do you prefer use sand, terrain, or grass? I have no preference, man. Like, every Minecraft clone uses the trees and grass. Every Minecraft clone, and we are making it different by using a desert. But I'll get bored of this. And we'll switch it to a snow biome. We'll switch up the balance. But as of now, we are in a desert. Yeah, here when we generate the mesh, we'll do it depending on the block state. So how does it look like? Well, I was inspired by your videos to make Minecraft with C++ and Raylib. How can I make the player? What do you mean the player? Like to have gravity, to have collision, player has many parts. Yeah, okay, this is none. Everything is none, and it's a dot when everything is none. Okay. So here I have the dot. Sure. Okay, so whatever the block state it is, it will always have the dot rendered. Let's see for the other parts. Is it hard to make Steve hand system? It's difficult at the beginning, but it's difficult to make the hand follow the mouse rotations. For me, that was very difficult. That was very difficult. Okay, so here, the east, when it's... Oh, wait a minute. No, the dot isn't showed every time. Here, the dot is hidden. I get it. Okay, we'll ignore the dot for now. The dot in the center. We'll ignore it for now. Let's hide it. Let's hide the dot. So for the east side, let's sort them here by east, west, north, south. So which one is the east here? This should be the north. Without rotations, it's the north. So this is the upward one. Yo, hello Creeper, what's up? This is the upside. Okay, this should be for the north. This is the north. This is the north. And this is 90 degrees rotation. I don't know which one it is, but this is 180. 180 should be the south. That should be the south. What else do we have? This is 270. Sure, and this is the side. The side, this should be the north one, I think. This should be the north one. This should be the north one. And then we need the alternative one. The alternative without rotation, that should be the south. That should be the south. And then what do we need? What are you working on today? The redstone dust. We're, by using the block state, we're doing the redstone dust. Let me think about it. Yeah, we have the north. We have the south. Yo, what's up? Let's see now. How long the redstone will take for you to make all progress? I have no idea, man. It's impossible to answer that question. 2 weeks, I don't know. 270 alt. And side. Alt. 270. Yeah, this is the port. And this is the 90 degrees. Let me think about it. So the 270 should align with this 270. I think. And then this will be here with this 90 degrees. So let's comment all of these just to check if we are rendering the right ones. Let's comment all of these and comment the north. Let's comment out the north. Now we should see just the south side of the redstone dust mesh. We're seeing the south, yeah. This is the south. This is the south. Sure, that's working. And now let's see if we have the north. Why the redstone look like this? Because we're currently developing it. It's work in progress. And this should be the north side. Yeah, this is the north side. This is the north side. Hello, this is the first time watching you. Like the goal, nice, nice, what's up? What's this name? Ahmeto Z Jen. It's hard for me to remember you guys when it's a bit random name. And this side should be... Where is it? So did you make infinite terrain generation? Yeah, we have infinite terrain generation. Just say Ahmed. Am I saying it right? Ahmed? I'm probably butchering the name. Love your videos. Glad to catch a stream. Yo, what's up? Blake Diaro. Good luck with this clone. Yeah, thank you, man. Let me see now. Yeah, somebody asked for the terrain, the infinite terrain. I'll show you. We not only have infinite terrain, but it can catch up with fast moving speed. Like here, if we move fast, it manages to catch up and then it generates. This is the second time watching. Saw your stream randomly like a month ago and same thing happened now. Film world generation is hard to make. Depends on your approach. There are so many ways you can do infinite terrain. There are so many ways. And I'm doing it on a single thread. In a world with so much AI, how are you motivating yourself to build without it? Because I've tried to build with AI and I don't like it. It has its use case, but not for what we're doing right now. If I use AI right now, it will harm me more than it can help me. Especially looking at it long term. Is it redstone torch flower? No, I'm making HTML. No, it's just temporarily. I'm making with C++, ReadyPA vanilla redstone is unoptimized. So you can make the redstone dumb fast Minecraft clone based. Especially because we're just focusing on redstone. Our clone will just have redstone. So we'll be able to optimize it a lot. A lot. Yeah, and somebody asked about did I get the endless terrain? We not only have it endless, but it's like it prioritizes where the player is. So that if you're like the player here, you'll always get a chunk loaded. Yo, Petsa, what's up? What's up? Yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite feature. Because it's running on the main thread. Why didn't you choose Vulkan or OpenGL graphics? Do you know that Raylip uses OpenGL? Like I'm using OpenGL with Raylip. Like whenever I need access to low-level OpenGL, I have the source code of Raylip. I can use OpenGL at any moment. How long the stream will last? 3 hours. Whoa, the rendering and loading of the chunks is beautiful. Yeah, it's cool. My world size is pretty small. I have been learning Rust, but keep getting caught in the AI loop. I hate it, but I feel like I get so much more done as bad as it is. Let's focus. Let's not distract ourselves. This was just to showcase. It's a lot faster than current Minecraft. No, chill. Current Minecraft is a lot better than my clone for sure. Like no question about it. No question about it. I accidentally killed my driver video, but I think of it using OpenGL. Let's go back to generating the mesh here. Now, which side are we drawing? None of them. This should be for a terrain gen. My PC can't keep up that well anymore. This is the south side. This is the up. Okay, which side is this? Which side is this? This is the out, and this is the up. Let's see which side is this. What version stations recommend using newest or oldest? Whatever you like. Whatever you like. I picked the newest ones, but I may go back to the old ones. Like, I don't care. This is the east side. This is the east. Let's comment it out. Yeah, here, the east side. Yeah, this is the east side. Are you going the Farlands? No, I'm not. And so this should be the west side then. This should be the west side. Well, you're using float and purling. What if you teleport yourself near the float limit like Farlands in Minecraft? Vibes. Wix, are you saying I should try teleporting? Okay. West, this is the west side. Yeah, this is the west side. This is the west. Yeah, we've managed to label all of the sides. Are you using Vulkan? Yeah, I'm using OpenGL. Then Wix, what values should I use for the player position? What position should I use? What coordinates? Here I'm using currently at 8, 8, but I can say that 0, 0. Large enough. Let's just focus on the x-axis and let's put like I haven't been watching but a few minutes, but why is there duplicated code for each cardinal direction there? Where? Where? For each cardinal direction. Let's see what the limit for float is. Float limit CPP. Float limits. Which one should I use? What's the maximum a float can be? Yeah, this I think. This. Probably. Float max. Yeah. Yeah, float max. Yeah, thanks Wix. Let's do it. But I don't think you want to use that. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yo, I cannot move. I can just move in a straight line. I cannot move. Like, I cannot rotate my camera to the left and right. I cannot move to the left and right. Stripe plants. Yeah, I cannot move to the left and right. What did UI do terrain? Let's do here plus 37. It's the same. We are looking towards the positive Z. Towards the positive Z. Yo, what's up, Muskelly? What's up? That is Minecraft 2D, but in 3D. Stripe plants, a bedrock bug. What is that panel? Yeah, it's for the chat. I worked on it today. It took some while, and it's combining both Twitch and YouTube, and I can look at it. It's on my monitor, so I don't have to like open up chat and to look at it, so that we can focus on making progress. Yeah, it's here on the bottom right, Vibe. Can't you see it? Yeah, you should be able to see it. It shouldn't be just me. And the cool part is, since I can see it as well, when something is like covering it, I can notice it instantly. So we both can see properly. It's not like, yeah. Let's see now. We start. So this is on the X. Let's do it on the Z as well, because the Z was just 0 axis. What will happen now? It doesn't start. We broke it. It doesn't start. It doesn't start. Let's do... What number is this? Is it like 38 zeros? No, this multiplied by 10 to the power of 38. Was it like that? So let's remove all of these. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. F, 0.0 F. Is it like that? Like that? Like that? Let's put this at 0 here. Let's have this at 0. Do we have the far length now? It's still the same. What if we increase it by 1? Just by 1. Will it break? It broke. Okay, let's decrease it. Okay, let's decrease it here. Minus 100. Let's decrease it because we're using too big of a number. Okay, let's remove 1 0 or 2 zeros actually. Let's remove 2 zeros. It's still the same. So there's a limit. How far off is the limit in the player position? It's still like that. Okay, let's remove more. It is way smaller, half it. Okay, let's have it like before, and let's half it like Wix says. Let's halve the number. No, actually, we were dividing it by... yeah, it's... let's abandon ship. Let's abandon ship and go back to the main focus. Let's go back to the main thing. Yeah, okay, we're back to normal. We're back to normal. Oh, I think the problem is with how I'm... Yo, hello, what's up? Irrelevant, but have you ever tried embedding all assets at compile time rather than loading enter time? What does that mean? Maybe the problem is when we divide this big number to get the subchunk coordinates, like dividing by 16, and maybe it doesn't have the right precision. Are you still interested in chatting I mentioned yesterday? Do you think about it? Yeah, I thought about it, and I have a proposition to you. Ask me again in a month. If you can do that, then we have a deal. Like, that will show me you're serious about it. So July, ask me again 6th of July, and I'll know you're serious about it. At this time, hopefully I'll be streaming every day. Hopefully I'll be still streaming in a month from now. Yeah, okay. So the focus is on this. The focus is on this. What was it? What do you mean, what was it? Come on, dude. What's up, Maske? Yeah, let's make this change depending on what the... you've been streaming days without anyone watching. let's change this depending on the block state. If we manage to do that, then we'll be golden. Let's see now. We need to go back to the redstone here. What's wrong with hitboxes? They're just static. I'm not dynamically changing them. I'll have to think about it, how to change them. How to make Minecraft code C++ in mobile port. Why would you need... with C++ it should be easy. Like C++ you can port it to anything. Like I think that was the main goal with Bedrock, Minecraft Bedrock, since they can target consoles, they can target Windows, they have compatibility easily. I think it should be easy. I don't know, I haven't done it. With your current approach, game here depends on where the binary is, must have access to resources. Instead, you can embed raw access binary data in your exe. That sounds interesting, but it's some kind of optimization. I'm not interested in optimizations. You can play Minecraft Java on mobile already. I didn't know that. Let's uncomment all of this to get back the whole mesh. Let's get back the whole mesh. And now the south side. I'm embedding assets in a data binary so I can distribute to, and it has been a game changer. Okay, that's an interesting suggestion. Hopefully I'll not forget it. When I was on there, bro was actually happy and humble about it, and like there is 30 of us, bro is still humble. Maskeli, if we manage to reach 1000 concurrent viewers, your task will be to keep me in check, because you will remember how I was then and how I am now. Where is your suggestion? You can get more friends with this approach, but it's really minor. You have 1K subscribers, not on subscribers, concurrent viewers. That's different. You can have more performance. Really minor. Game heavily depends. Yeah, I'll save your suggestions. Jester more than count. What's with Talon? Yeah, I don't know what's Talon. I don't know. Excalibur. Let's save your suggestion. With all the other suggestions. I've been procrastinating on all of these suggestions. Yeah, when I change a lot, you are tasked to comment about it. Right now I'm fighting with terrain because it's now bright when I delete layer. Bummer. I love this chat here. Why isn't Bedrock already called in? Yeah, Bedrock is in C++. I like Minecraft. Oops, we got a crash. Nobody saw that. Yeah, okay. So now this block has a it has a block state, and let me see. Let's put a default to the block state. Let's put a default, like default values here for all of these. Maskeli, go back to your previous account. Why? Like, will you ever go back to the Maskeli account? Let's say, what are the default values for the redstone block state? What are the default values? Lost password. Try forget password. Bring it back, man. Like, well, bring it back. Let's see. Okay, when we place redstone, what's the default state? It's just site and power 0. Power 0, and this is state site. So 3 more times. West, north, south. Nice. Okay, and let's use this block state. Let's use it when generating the mesh. Let's do that. Let me see. I got to go. See you later. See you later, man. No problem. Here. Now, here we have the sites. So when we have the site, we have these little endpoints. These little endpoints. Hi, what's up? What's up, what's up? Here, the east. So, how should we do it? If I have my Android on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, let's make actually this box CPP, all this duplicated code per phase can be abstracted up for dry, much better for debugging as well. What was dry? I think that was some kind of a design pattern. Dry programming. What was it? That don't repeat yourself. Don't repeat yourself. Oh, here for this? Oh, let's see. It's not an issue as of now. I'll clean it up. I know I'm repeating myself here, but it's not that big of an issue. It's not a priority. Yeah, let's set here the site, this to be 0, and this to be 1, and this to be 2. And so here, here, so this is the east. We'll do here if east is, hello, what's up? If east is greater than none. If it's greater than none, we will do the site. And if it's greater than site, we'll do the upward one. Source using Raylib like graphics system or using OpenGL. I am using Raylib. I'm mainly using Raylib, and sometimes I do changes to the Raylib. Like I sometimes directly use OpenGL or have to make changes to Raylib source. If so how to create Minecraft Bedrock Edition Classic C++ on Android? I don't know, man. Are you prompting me? I'm not an AI. I don't know, man. I have no idea. I haven't done anything on Android. Let's see now. And let's do the same for the other ones. Here for the west. What's up, what's up? I'm just, we're currently doing the Redstone Dust. Good if you're using Windows 10. Minecraft Pocket Edition, great times. This should be if it's greater than site. This is for the west. And let's repeat the same for north and south. Here it's for the north. And this is for the south. This is for the south. Let's see now. Need to move this here. And to move this here. And this here and this here. And I think there was one more. Where was it? Ah, yeah, here, the west side. Now the mesh should be using the block state when we render it, but not the block outline. The block outline ignores the block state as of now. Yeah, this is the default. This is the redstone dust. The collision, the block out, the only reason is the block outline ignores the block state, and the power level, the color overlay ignores the color, the power. Yeah, but this is a huge improvement. Huge improvement. We'll be able to actually use redstone dust. That's so cool, man. Yeah, that's so cool. Now, how to make the block outline be dynamic? How can we make it dynamic? I'm not sure. How can I make the block outline dynamic? Let me think about it. I need to be able to reset the block outline, actually. Do I need resetting? Actually, the resetting should be very simple. Yeah, it's just an integer. Hi, what's up? Server okay. Is server okay, actually? Are there any... Oh, what happened? Yo, what? I read this on Twitch in bigger symbol limit. In C, it's easy to do it. Yeah, this is too long. You can game on Linux. Yeah, that's too long. Let's focus. I assume you were just sending code for a viewer, for somebody else. I can't even compile DaVinci Resolve. Why would you need to compile DaVinci Resolve? No, I'm not explaining that to you. There is some logic. So how to create Minecraft Pocket Edition? Like you already asked this. I answered you. For Arch Linux, it's something like don't you in Arch Linux you have the other like where you get like programs, not the main one but the user one. What was it called? I forgot what is it called. The AOR. Yeah, there was one for Resolve. I used that. I used the AOR for Resolve. Are there any devices in the project? As of now, no, but there will be pretty soon actually. Here we need to reset the block state, the block overlay. The collision boxes. I call it collision boxes. Add collision box. We need a void reset collision boxes. And let's make it inline since it's a simple one. I am explaining that to you, but I guess this is not very useful right now. There is something you can help with Redstone. Here we just reset collision boxes to 0. We set it to 0. And so that's how we'll make it dynamic, the collision boxes. Let me think about it. Should we every time when we generate the mesh? When should we reset the collision boxes? When the block state changes. When the block state changes. Update collision boxes. I'll do a function. Update collision boxes. Let's do that. And it will be a virtual. A virtual void update collision boxes. And here we'll leave it empty. We'll leave it empty, and this will be used to set up and actually update them. Void, and here override. We'll override it. Update collision boxes. And what else? Here, let's copy this. We'll call it here for the initialization. Why not? Here, and this needs to be using conditionals depending on the block state. Anyways, I'll go now. Thank you for your streams and views. Bye, man. Yeah, let's copy this. Let's copy this. And this. Let's copy that. We need it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. East, west. I think that something that Minecraft clones never have is vehicle physics. No, why would I need vehicles? My focus is redstone. Also, I have to draw stuff, maybe read stuff. Obviously, buy Musketti. Will be fish for that clone. What do you mean fish? Okay, interesting. How to download C++ on Android? Why would you need C++? Isn't like Java and Kotlin used for Android? Like, I think Kotlin was used for Android. What is special about your Redstone? Right now I'm trying to copy Minecraft Redstone. As of now it's not special. But I hope it will become special. Minecraft have a lot of fishes like water. Yeah, I know Minecraft has fishes. South. Sure. So this is north up. So the north up. Hi, what's up, Gary? Minecraft Nostalgia Deluxe Fishes on Bikes update. I don't know what that means. Please reply it. Do you use fixed delta time for physics? I'm stuck on this concept. I don't think so. I don't think I'm using fixed delta time. No, I'm not using fixed delta time. Made the early Minecraft music soundtrack. Notch made the early versions before this. Yeah, but I have my Bedrock edition on Android. Okay, this is the north side. This is the north side. This is the south side. This is the west. I hate post 1.13 is the first version that my 2GB RAM Windows can't run at good frames. This is the west. What is the west? Here. And now the east. You don't using switches for refills? I don't need to. Why are you playing MC on Windows XP? The east, and this is the south up. This is south up, this is west up. West up, and this is east up. And this is the dot. we have it by default, but sometimes we don't need a dot. Sometimes we don't need a dot. Which version of Minecraft are you trying to make clone of? Right now I'm doing the latest version. Okay, now look at it, how it has the proper collision box. It uses the block state. Nice. Yeah, that's cool. But also like how desert clone. Let me think. Here we need to reset it. Reset collision boxes. We need to reset them. I wish make first version Minecraft Bedrock. Why do you have a question mark at the end? Is there a question? Let's see now. What else? Yes, these people did a lot of work. How old are you? In my 20s. Closing in on the 30s. What happens when you try to... Like above 25. What happens when you try to place a redstone on the side of a block? Right now, this is the only thing it does. It's not doing anything else. That's what we're working on. Is Minecraft possible to recreate using... Why Pyglet? Why not Pygame? Pyglet? Oh, it uses OpenGL? For sure, I'm 100% sure it's possible. Why shouldn't be? Even though, like, you can make optimizations. Like, you can limit some features. You don't need to implement everything. Like, people manage to do Minecraft clone in Scratch. Like, don't worry about it. Try to place on the side what happens. You can why it wouldn't. Have you considered sounds and hotbar UI to the project? I'll think about it. I was asking. Python is slow in my opinion. Can also you... Okay, you are asking somebody else. Okay, my bad, man. My bad. Let's see now. What's next? Oh, to change. Let me see. To make the redstone dust interact with each other. Are you planning on expanding on Minecraft features? Yeah, I'm planning to expand on just the redstone. Only use Python for animating with Manem. I don't use Manem. I prefer C# than Java. If somebody needs kittens. Python work for like CPU usage, not. So question for you, is the Java clone getting discontinued? Not sure. I cannot answer that. Will you add break block particles? It's not a priority. Who knows about Eagercraft and Minecraft Free? It's not a priority. The priority is redstone. Now I want redstone dust to interact with each other. Because here in Minecraft, when you place it around, it interacts. It interacts. So, Pepin, you asked that multiple times. I love you. Bombed that. Seems like huge hassle. Yeah, if you were to choose Linux distro, Arch Linux, no question about it. For me personally, I personally would pick Arch Linux, but that's for me. Like, that's for me. Other people would be best just regular Ubuntu. But for me, I love Arch Linux. I can do anything I want on Arch Linux. And I think even the Steam Deck uses Arch Linux, Steam OS, which is Arch Linux with some configurations. So that's that. We need to implement the redstone dust. These connections. We need to implement that. You can use... How to do edit Minecraft in the code? I want to make torches. I don't know how to edit the code. Is it possible to export part of game? Like imagine code really optimized for general assembly. Prefer Mac OS or Chrome OS? Yeah, Mac is good as well. Mac is good as well. So how are you going? I was thinking of switching to Linux. That Linux sucks for content creating. Yeah, it's that's why that's the only thing stopping me from using Linux content creation. You are too quiet. Bombed. I'm too quiet. My levels should be fine. I shouldn't be too quiet. How to make menu screen Minecraft Bedrock Edition Classic Nostalgia on Android? Better use Windows 10. Yeah, audio level should be fine. It should be fine. Audio level should be fine. I'm pretty sure. Almost certain. Just increase the volume level. How to make them interact with each other. In my Java clone, I made them interact with each other. Does this creator talk? I think I'm talking. Or you cannot hear on Twitch. It's about Linux. I don't like Linux Mint. I don't like Linux Mint. Anyone in Twitch chat help me here? Why? What's up? What's up? What's up? Do you use mic? I use mic. Odell Drive Linux. Then I try to destroy my entire install with a mount. I am using it right now. Yeah. The guy saying he don't hear you has to be trolling. Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind. There is a slight chance he may not be trolling. That's why I'm answering. Here in my Java clone, Petsa, what languages do you know? I don't know any language, programming language, like proficiently. I haven't mastered any language. I'm average or below average on a lot of languages. I'm below average on many languages, mainly C++ and Java. We can say that. JavaScript as well. Here in the Java clone, I never said this before, but the zombie egg texture gray pixel bothers me. Oh, sorry, man. I've left it there by mistake. Turn up my volume. I can hear you fine now. I recommend people using more than 50 volumes to hear, but yeah, I can hear you fine now. Yeah, okay. Because for me, both Twitch and YouTube sound volume is fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Now here in Java, I managed to like make Redstone Dust work by having some functions callbacks on what happens on placement and on removal. And on placement, it calls on update for the neighboring blocks. I did something like that. And I can do... Yeah, I don't have hunger mechanic. And I could do something like that in my C++ clone. I could do something like that. So the system would be something like this. When I place something, this Redstone Dust will have on placement callback. And it will call on update callback on the neighboring blocks. That's what I'm thinking of using. That's what I'm thinking of using. Let's actually commit this. Have you checked your Twitch stream volume, Mr. Twitch guy? Oh yeah, okay. Does any block after being destroyed call neighboring blocks? Oh yeah, and on neighboring... You are smart guy, I'm Redstone. No, I don't how. You are thinking of it wrong. my redstone logic. When I destroy block, I call the on update on the neighbors as well. And when I place, I call on update on the neighbors as well. How create Minecraft better edition? I think any block call state updates on neighbor blocks. Floating sun starting to fall after block is placed. Any block call state. James Bond is having throat call abundance. What's up, mate? What's up? Like, your name is hard to read. But what's up? What's up? How I doing? What if you added command blocks using Lua? Bro, you should add hitboxing to make hitboxes so you know which box you're hitting. Is this how it's supposed to be? Used to have Pentium, but now sorry if that made no sense. No, I have hitboxes. Don't worry about it. I have hitboxes. Here I have hitboxes. Yeah, here I have them, and they're even custom ones. I have hitboxes. But in the C++ clone, I have them in Java, but for some reason they don't work. Let's do a commit. What did we change? Add redstone dust block state. Finally, redstone fixed. You have Java and C++. Yeah, I have both Java and C++ clones. I have Unity clone as well. Can you do a var variable in class? I don't know what that means. Why is there green blocks in the... Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Shut. Hits to torch the edges. Hitting... Jarvis, show me the progress so far. Stop prompting me. Yeah, this is... don't worry about it. But we'll try reclicking on redstone in Minecraft. It will become a dot redstone dust dot. The dead bush. So too high in my opinion. Yeah, I know it's too high. How easy would it be to create GTA NPCs, vehicle, weapons? That's a lot of feature. It would be very difficult. Use cactus using hitbox for torch lamao. Yeah, here it becomes a dot. It becomes a dot when you right click it. Let's see now. Yeah, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to finish the redstone dust. Can your C++ code run Doom? How would that be even possible? So when we place here, I was thinking when we place something to have on placement callback, and here to have on update callback. So here there's a trend where people try to run Doom on anything. I'll shock you with something. Yeah, I know people try, like I've seen somebody run Doom on a PDF. Like, I know. So here I need virtual void on placement. Do how to make Minecraft concepts on airport. I already answered you, Pepin. Put redstone block, then any block on top and piston, then remove middle. You are working on both C++ and Java clone, and the one with imaginary mode is Java and other is C++. No, I'm focusing on the C++ clone, and just the C++. On placement, virtual void code an ID in your Minecraft code, then code Minecraft and Minecraft. What's imaginary mode? On update, and here virtual void. It should be version 23, I think. Virtual void on removal. After you're done with redstone, what will you add next? Maybe the piston. But sometimes you open a window with the imaginary mode. What is that? What's imaginary mode? Your chat is too small. You skip my message. Oh no, come on. Preferably update texture during Redstone tech, because when you start doing stuff like flying mechanics, not on placement. Oh, I see. I'll change it when we get there. I'll do it on placement, and when we get problems like you describe, I'll change it. Petsa, please shout out. What do you mean shout out? How should I shout you out? You don't have to open Minecraft so many times. You already know how someone maybe just want to play somewhere. Can you fix this using a single font? Sorry, it's called creative mode. Oh, creative mode, you mean? Classic spawn egg. What do you mean classic spawn egg? Let's implement these functions. By default, they'll do nothing. They'll do nothing by default. But the redstone will do something. Here, the redstone dust will have logic on placement and on update. So in my Java clone, I guess he'll just add a check if the piston is sticky. We'll move back with the piston. Wait, is the chat an overlay? Yeah, the chat is an overlay. Have 3 windows, Minecraft creative. What is the creative mode for? Minecraft window. It's just for reference. Show me classic spawn egg. Redstone dust here. This is how I do the redstone dust. The ray tracing for that, better graphics. I don't need ray tracing. Minecraft doesn't do ray tracing. Let's see now. Get textures. Update redstone state. I have update redstone state. Can receive signal. Update ID. No. On placement. Yeah, I have on placement. Damn. We'll figure it out. Jarvis, stop getting distracted. New sub. Yo, R3D2. I will call you R2D2. You're very intelligent. Thank you. And you as well, man. I assume all of you guys are intelligent. Also, the glass pane and iron bars. Who is Jarvis? It's from Iron Man. It's from Iron Man. Everybody. I love Iron Man. Let's override this. You're using C and not C++ because you have Raylip. I am using C++. Wix, I'll save your suggestion. I'll save your suggestion. I'll save your suggestion. Hi, hope you're doing well. I'm working on my 2D games framework. Nice. Nice. I'll save Wix suggestion. You should add Iron Man after you add pistons. Can you please add enchantments? It's not a priority. On placement. Adding game resolution settings. It's not a priority. On placement. When we place redstone, what should happen? It should change the state, the block state. It should change the block state. Please add gamma and what the tools aren't even in game and you want enchantments. Well, the Java clone has tools. Should add full screen option or something. And the Java has full screen. The Java has full screen. The Java clone has tools in game I saw Sword, I think. Yeah. But that's the Java clone. The view buff is not that good. Not like that. This is copying the Half-Life one. Minecraft does have ray tracing and shader packs. Really? They have ray tracing. Interesting. Do new game with rainbow text. Still no gradient sky in C++. Oh my god, this Minecraft is so accurate. Yeah, but this is the C++. This is the lame one. Was this Minecraft multiplayer mode? Also, you should add acceleration if you haven't already. I have acceleration. How do you not know that? Does Bedrock Java still relies on sodium? Wix, how would I know that Minecraft uses ray tracing? Like, isn't ray tracing for some fancy features? Yeah, I don't have a logo. If I put the Minecraft, like I don't have, how would Minecraft look like? Here, when we place redstone dust, what should happen? Is my question. It should change its own state, and it should change the state of the neighbor. Oh, hi O'Kill, what's up O'Kill? Would be funny to pour Quake's move into this Minecraft clone. Please, speed, I need this, my game is kinda logoless. Yeah, I also watch speed. Do you see the Peter noise? There is a sun, or if you add sun and moon and then collision. Okay, so here in Minecraft, do you have... Yeah, I have Perlin noise. Logo is Minecraft, Java and Bedrock. Here, this is... I already have this. And when I place it here, look at how it changes both these states. What's pulse called? So this becomes the north has side and south has side. Interesting. And this is the same as well. Guys, stop asking for new features. He still has to finish Redstone. Yeah, it will take some while. So here, this is the north side. This is the... We need to see which side we're on. Done? Yeah, okay, so this is the north. Yeah, this is the north. So this is the north-south. Your stream later, are you shitting me? Why did they ban you on Twitter? Oh no, I got unbanned. I'll be waiting to your game to be released. We got this. What GPU do you have? 360 Ti. Look at how this north and this is on the... Look at how maybe each piece of dust has inside of it list of neighboring. It already has it inside of the block state. Kinda, I think. What did I say about asking for new feature? Yeah. Here the difficult part is like the easiest thing is to do it like here, the block state. It is called on ready. I swear to see another X before GT6. I call it on update. I don't know what ready is. Here the block state has these parts. Where is it? Here it's hidden actually. Where is the... Looking at block state here. Done. Look at the east, north, south and west. Like here I am better because I code in... here I could have done it to directly check the neighbors, and that's how I can change the block state on placement. Here on placement, bam, it checks the neighbors and sets the block state appropriately. But the problem is here it's the same even if this is here or not. This doesn't change. That's a bit difficult to account for. Damn it. Let's see now. So how are we going to do it? Let's do it the easiest way. Godot engine is bad. I prefer Godot. From Unity, Unreal, and Godot, I prefer Godot. Unreal is cool as well. But it's difficult to learn. Unity is useful as well, but I hate the management, like the people that manage Unity. Like they do some shitty business. I like that Godot is open source. And Unreal lacks so much. Here on placement, we need to get the neighbors. We need to get the neighbors on placement. For that to happen, we need our current position. So we need to change this. We need to change it. So here for the block class, here on placement, it needs to have, can you please copy over mesh pool data? So here we need position details, maybe reference. Position details. So that we can get the neighbors. And I need to change it here as well. And here on placement, we need to get the neighbors, the north, south, west, and east neighbors. We can get them. Position details. So this will be the north neighbor. This will be north neighbor. I imagine implementing Redstone as a separate component like blocks. Everything that is connected in one mechanism is calculated together instead of... Yeah, in Windows 10, instead of doing it block by block, chunk by chunk. It's fine like this. It's fine like this. So the north neighbor will be the current position and get north. Get the north. And this will be the south neighbor. This will be the west. Did you buy that ear extension thing to get security update still? I did get it. I didn't need to buy anything. I just got it easily. But then I reinstalled my Windows and I don't know if I still have it. I think I don't know if I still have it. Get the south neighbor, get the west. You still call... Yeah, I'm changing them. I was just talking with chat. Yeah. So now we have all the neighbors. And what should we do about it? We need to check if their ID, if they're redstone dust. If they are redstone dust. So if... let me see. Yeah, but I was going to do it here. Let me see now. So we need the ID. So neighbor, like ID, neighbor ID. And here neighbor ID equals north neighbor. Get block type. Let's get all of the IDs. Let's do them separately, in separate names. North ID south ID, west ID, and the east ID. Oh, whoa, we got chat. Yo, what's up, what's up? Inside your custom class. Oh, it's an enum. It's just an enum. It has all the IDs. It's just an enum. Let's see now. And my idea was, if let's do it the simple way, we'll change it later. If west ID equals redstone dust, should I have full screen mode, maybe extra resolution support? Sorry for saying again. Why would I need resolution support when I'm not going to release it? I want to make a real game in 3 days, and now it evolved into my main framework. That's interesting. West ID. So if one time I had problem with, if the west ID is redstone dust, we'll set the, let me think about it. The west will be state. It will be site. It will be site. And work on dust connection. Yeah, I'm working on connecting the redstone dust as of now. And else west will be none. This will, I'm coding. Hello, what's up, Liam? What's up, what's up? Let's see now. This is for the west side. Sometimes the game comes to your resolution support. I didn't even know Google has example projects. Yeah, it has example projects. Well, what's up, Adrian? What's up, what's up? This is for the east. And then this is for the north. This is the north. And what else? Do you recommend learning OpenGL before using something like Relip? For me it helped, because Relip uses OpenGL. For me it helped, and there is a very good guide for it. Learn OpenGL. You can go over the Learn OpenGL guide just to do few examples, and then to try out Relip. What Minecraft version is this? It's the newest one. So west, east, north, and it should be south. Relip also in OpenGL is impossible. Lamal. So this should be the south. Is there a way to generate dynamic mesh every frame, not lose immediate meshing Godot? I just unload the mesh and load the new one. I do that. I unload the mesh. And it's good enough. It's good enough. In my other projects, I've done different approaches. In my other projects, I've directly used the VBO by updating it, but it was more complicated. I started with Godot, but got nothing done, so that counts. What are you trying to create? The tuning dynamic. When you remove or add a block, you need to update the mesh. And sound just managed by the OS in the end. Here we need to update collision boxes, and we need to, yeah, just collision boxes to update, I think. And this is on placement. And we need to actually call this function. And where is it called? How are you not tired? Why should I be tired? How are you not tired? I've also made a simple Minecraft clone. I would be tired if I was doing something boring. If you update mesh on block destroying, then you won't need to generate a mesh every frame. Yeah, you responded. Yeah, man. Why wouldn't I? I made a clone of a Minecraft clone. Here where we prepare the mesh. No, wait a minute. How many script languages do you know? C++, Java, JavaScript? Let's just say that. Thanks to this project, I got motivated to try to clone Minecraft in 2D vanilla HTML, CSS. Nice. It has control form. Think chunks are forbidden. Where should I call on placement? Oh, when I create the block. Oh, obviously. That's obvious. That's so obvious. Mouse. I'll probably have to learn how to code in GDScript. Why don't you use C# instead of GDScript? I call to a subchunks. Where do I create it? Set block type here. And here I set it. Is this ever going to be public? No. This live stream was going on for 2 days. But skipping columns now will bite you later on the project. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I mean, you still pass the data to the audio system. I didn't know Godot had C#. Yo, bro, what's up, bro? Here I get the type. So. Wait a minute. This sound feature is not available in C#. Wait a minute. I'm doing it wrong here, actually. Shouldn't have to make some more for game. Oh, I'm doing it wrong here. You'll never finish it that way. Well, I prefer using Unity anyway. It's fine, whatever engine you use. Use the tools that fit you best. Is the scripting language of Godot changeable with a toggle? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Bro, can you tell me what you mean by Minecraft clone? I mean, are you making Minecraft? Bro, Minecraft. This is Minecraft clone. Minecraft. Like a Minecraft clone, like how difficult is to grasp it? It's a clone of Minecraft. It's not. Both languages can be in the same project. Really? GDScript and Godot and in C#. Really? Are you sure? That's really cool. I didn't know that. It seems that way, but you can't sense system for that. Let's see now. We need to get no setting. What do you mean? I need a reference to the subchunk itself. Yeah, here. Then I need to update the state. Let me think about it. No, I need to do it exactly like I do it when generating blocks. You know, Minecraft clone setting, then if I like it, move it to Unity. Yeah, generating blocks. And how do I do it? Oh, I did it in the block spawner. Spawn blocks. Yeah, I did it here. Huh. If I make it now, make pets a pixel. Hi pixel. Oh, I saw what you did there. Well, I'm from Ukraine. Yo, what's up? Sabia. Yo, that's a sword, right? That's a sword. Sabia. US, hello from US. Привет. UK. Hello UK. Yeah, I have from all over the world. And Maskeli is Brazil. What's up? I'm from Lithuania. Nice. I'm from Bulgaria. And Maskeli is from Turkey, I think. I like how we are talking about Godot while Pets is still figuring out making. Let's don't have states. It's 2 p.m. here. I'm from India. 2 p.m. For me, it's almost 10 p.m. Very close, Belgium. I'm from Romania. What is your take on spaghetti codes? I don't have a take. Why should I have a take? I don't have a take on everything. 8 p.m. here. Yeah, close. For PVR and RTX Ultra graphics, since you are on Java edition, then you can get. Hopefully, you know about CurseForge. Yeah, I know about CurseForge. Let's copy this. Do you ever travel for other countries? I've traveled to the Netherlands, I think, to see a friend. And to Greece. I've traveled to Greece, I think, when I was little. Not spaghetti code in general. Let's go back to when I place blocks. If you raise this clone source code or make the create mode plus create, you can actually make multiple audio routes. Okay. Mouse here when we right click. Let's see now. I subscribed you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see now. Blocks queue front node position. Set block type. Microsoft. Yeah, chill. I set the block type here. Block hover neighbor. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. And I need to do this to set up the block state here. I need to set up the block state. So let's remove this. Find. I'm searching for the subchunk origin. Take more time to write scripts. He might modify the textures. No, I have what will I do for the zombies and skeleton then? They are models. I have to change the models as well. It's not just the textures. Subchunk origin. Aimbot skeletons. Local block position. And then this should be the type, I think. Redstone dust. Redstone dust and... Oh, are you sending a link, Wix? Let's see now. Subchunk reference. Will you ever try to implement a type of combat in Minecraft clone where each weapon has a... no, I'm not focusing on the combat. I'm focusing just on the redstone. I need to prioritize, and that was my priority. Because you are technically setting free Minecraft, which reminds me of shader basics, PBR. Oh, so Raylip has a PBR shader. Server OK part. Darn it, Twitch. So what's that Raylip PBR link? Redstone is dumbed down binary. What does this do? Set block type. Oh, it does it here. Set block type. Just Google Rayleigh PBR basic example. We're arguing about DMCs now. Here, a Rayleigh PBR example. Sure. Yo, that's cool. How do you call a cat? Kotka. Kotka. We call them Kotka. Does Alien already have audio bus? Yeah, that's cool. PBR texture. Set block type. So here we need to do on placement. Now make it work with my... Hmm. 95% reading chat. Yeah, I just try to keep up with chat and it's so distracting, splitting my attention. It's so distracting, man. Like I'm super slow coding right now. Like I'm coding like I came up with an example, but it's difficult to explain it. Disable chat for 10 minutes. No, I will not disable chat. I'll keep it. I'll not be disabling it. Here I need on placement. And I just code we're being CBD. I need the position details here, actually. Feels like coding while watching YouTube streams. Don't worry about the cat calls. I don't want to be doing cat calls. I want to do Minecraft clone. Let's see now. But doesn't matter, actually, you're so fast than us. Don't worry about it. Here I need position details. Search it up, Russian guy. I'm from Bulgaria. I just joined in. What are you working on? Right now I'm reading chat for a while, but I'm trying to do the redstone dust. On placement here. Oh, in a guy in chat. Okay, sorry. What you did last stream where you stopped reading chat for 5 minutes. No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Damn it. I'm blocked. Oh, come on. I'm calling this from 2 different places. That's why I'm a bit blocked. I'll do a second version that uses position details, I think. Yes. Set block type. Position to index. Yes. I'll do 2 versions. Meows back you, then you are my favorite. Durashki. What's Durashki? Also, cat calls can have regional variants, so I can't really look it up on Google. Okay. Let's go to the sub chunk. I'm lost. Here. I need set block type here, position details. You can speak Russian. I can speak Jarvis Lokin. I can speak Bulgarian. Russian, I don't know Russian. Well, I was typing Bulgarian here. I'm so distracted. Position. Like, I think I know Здравствуйте. Здравейте. Hello. Здравствуйте. So something like that. Like, I've heard few words. We call cats Turkish. Guys, just stop spamming in chat. Set block type. This is position details. Position details. And here, now we can do it. Here, it should be position to index. To index should be this. Bro, read the opposite of message. What a legend. Now remake it with assembly. What do you mean the opposite of the message? Position to index. Oh, it's subchunk. Position to index. Yeah, what's the problem? Oh, here it needs to be the local block, I think. Here it needs to be the local block. Like this. And damn it, I need to make it into a variable. This should be the index. Should be the index. And we put this here. And what else did I need it? Version if something. Now he'll skin himself before he gets. Did you say guys stop spamming? Well, the guy said spamming. Guys stop spamming chat. Well, that guy was saying guys just spamming chat. That is Ras. Yeah, I need here block on placement. Oh, almost full Cyrillic in Russian, but still learning. Here, let's do on placement. And here it will be the position details. That's it. That should be it, probably. That should be it, probably. So instead of the main, here, set block type, and here we need to use the rain biomes. Just the desert and the one with the trees and grass. Нети, що реално я сърце, I cannot read it. Cyrillic notion ain't that hard. I learned it on chemistry lesson like 10 years ago. Yeah, okay, now on placement, the redstone dust should change its own block state. Now we converse about Russian. Hello, what's up? And here now we have just the dot. So Russian chemist. I already use this, what's up? Prost. It is Ukrainian that I'm writing in, but good luck in your studies. Now I just get the dot. I need a way to see the current block state. Why were you learning Cyrillic in chemistry class? Why am I getting just this? Very nice red dot you got there. Yeah, thank you. Oh, I get what the state is. The state is just the dot. The state is prost in Romanian. That's the only thing I ever learned. I set the block type. Added logo Minecraft. I set the block type. Oh, come on, man. Set block type. Wait a minute. I'm setting it 2 times. What? Position to index. Here. Okay, let's go to the block spawner actually. Yeah, here. Set block type. Why do I do this as well? Yeah, I don't need this. I don't need this. Let's do a debug point. That should show what the issue is. Let's do a debug point. Should redstone be unpowered by default? Yeah, but right now I've set it like to be powered as the default. I think it's easier to see. Here. Yeah, we need to do a debug point. I'm right now focusing on the mesh itself, not the coloring of it, not the power. Just the mesh itself. Because I really want to do this like on placement logic here when we place blocks. Here on placement, let's do a debug point and see what's up. So let's see now. Okay. Okay, nice. Let's continue. Debug stick from Minecraft? No. Yeah, I don't need the debug stick. Okay, so now when we place it here, where we're looking, this is the west, this is the north. So let's place it here. It should find the north neighbor should be redstone dust. Yes, it's redstone dust, perfect. And the south is the south as well, the west as well. All of them are redstone dust. That's not right. That's wrong. North neighbor. Oh, wait a minute. All of them are using the north neighbor. Oh, mare. Какви върш? Mare. This should be the south neighbor. And this should be the west, and this should be the east. Yes! But it's changing all of the states. It's changing all of the... It's like a clock. It's like a clock. It's changing all of them. That's wrong. That's very... No, I better than not working. No, I did change it. This was only north, and I changed that, but I didn't change this. But that doesn't matter. Like, yeah, we can say you are right. Like, yeah, you are. That I didn't change it. I should have changed it, but I didn't. Yeah, you are right. But why do all of them change? Then it shouldn't be like that. It should be just this. It's changing for all of them. Bummer. Damn it. Yeah. Damn it. Guys, I would need to do some timeouts if you can speak in English, because here I don't have how to translate, and other viewers need to know like what everybody is chatting about. Yeah, but still, like, touch grass, walk around. I liked the YouTube feature. Here, YouTube auto translate everything. Here, if I go back, there should be auto translations. I wonder if there's a problem with the bubble uninstalled Linux. Yeah, like I want this here, and I wouldn't have a problem with this. Good luck, man. Thank you. Yeah, like here. Where did the English layout go? Yeah, this man. I want this here to this chat. If I have it, I think the global redstone the state update bug is a problem with your block update dispatcher. 44 viewers. Yo, hello Maskeli, what's up? Russian Ukraine chat, yo. Yeah. Someone should help you add the auto translate in chat overlay you're using. Directly out to his Linux and I call him Parov. Let's see now. When we run the game and we place redstone dust, it updates every block state. Okay, you make it multiplayer. Yo, make it multiplayer. Why he didn't use the chat window directly? Because the chat there is mixture of YouTube and Twitch. The only one that it's a combination of all the chats is this chat. It's this chat. And it doesn't have how to translate, I think. Yeah, it doesn't have it. It doesn't have it. Oh, everything got... Why is all of the block states being changed? Quite a brave to create the whole project. Visual Studio, I rage quitted the program. Where's the main menu? There's main menu. I have it here in the Java clone. I have it here. Will this be multiplayer? No multiplayer. Floating redstone. Yeah, floating redstone. Hello, Sabia. If the chat is HTML up, then might be possible to open it Chrome and use an add-on for... Oh! Yeah, that's smart. He hasn't even added survival mode yet. None of them unique, like all of them share same data. I'll have to think about it. Wait. Let's go to the block factory. Get block. And here, oh, I know what the problem is. It's being cached. It's being saved. I have 5% of saying something actually smart. Don't worry about it. Has block state. I just need to manually say it has a block state so it doesn't get cached. Now it should be different. Now it should be different. Yeah, now it's different. Now every block has a unique block state. Real Python Claymore. Wait, I actually yeah, Muskel, you are right. The break line is duplicated under the redstone torch. I'll remove it. I'll remove it. Don't worry. I'll remove it. Dude, Raylip is amazing. Why should I just use OpenGL? I feel so proud of myself. Less suffering. Raylip is amazing. You cannot understand how amazing is Raylip if you have just used OpenGL. Moving, like Java here, I just used OpenGL. And moving from this to Raylip, man, you cannot imagine. You cannot imagine how amazing it is. It's amazing. It's amazing. Can you help me to create this? Raylip is amazing, man. Now, can you build the redstone does mesh changes on placement? Wait, why is the collision still like this? Oh, I get it. It's fine. The collision is fine. Claymore is a Python C++ guy. Claymore is Maskeli. Claymore is Maskeli. But you can call him Clay. Now. Using a quad tree for localized block state updates if you're not already. I use the hash map. I use the hash map. An unordered map. Where the key is the block position. The local block position. So this on placement is not perfect. It needs to be to the right as well. And this collision box shouldn't be showing. This one. This shouldn't be showing here, actually. Why is it showing up? Now we need to add the plus state where it connects to all sides. Why should it be to the right too? Wait, I'm certain I made the block outline be dynamic. I'm certain I made it. Let me think about it. The block, and here on placement, it calls all of these update collision boxes. Yeah, here it should be straight if connecting to only. Yeah, it should be straight. I'll fix it. Why do we have header and not for C++ headers? Isn't it the same thing? Played hard stuff. Okay. Here, update collision boxes. It should reset it, which sets it to 0 collision boxes. I'm pretty sure I made the collision dynamic, but they Undertale reference. And here I've added them again. So this is for the east side. This is the east, this is the west, this is the north, and this is the south. So when I run it, here, oh, and here is like this. That's not correct. That's not correct. Let's see. Oh. Oh, I get it. What's the problem? I get it. Here the raycast itself is not using the block state. I get it. It's not using it. It should use the block state. I get it. How long have you spent working on this? More than a year. I tried to make some little games to gain experience. Let me think about it. So where is the block hover? Oh, I need to change it in two places. When it does the collision, what's this? Let's remove it. You spent more than a year working on the C++ clone? No, on multiple clones. I spent on this C++ clone, I can actually tell you how much. I can tell you live. I started it where? Here 2 weeks ago. I started 2 weeks ago on the C++ one. So this is 2 weeks ago. And this, it's 2 weeks ago. Oh yeah, I'm terrible at coding, but I really sometimes can understand and point out some smart stuff. Let's see now. Let's delete all of this. Let's delete this. And we don't need this. And so much progress since then, that's crazy. You have to know, like, I have experience from the Java clone. Like, I've just speedrun it. It's just speedrunning it. Like, I just have experience. I've just been speedrunning it. Like, don't worry about it. It's like being very good at a certain game, and you start from and you restart the game with zero and you speedrun the game, and you see a speedrunner playing a game really fast. It's the same thing. So many Minecraft clones, and I failed the first step all the time. You're actually golden, bro. Animation digital. Especially the. Why he's just bunny hopping. You increase the speed by jumping around. Here, the first stream when I started it, it's 7 hours. This was the. This is like the most progress I've had here. Like, I started from 0 here, and for 7 hours I reached this stage where I have the terrain. This was for the 7 hours. Like, this was actually speedrunning it. Maskeli, you joined here, maybe the skeletons. Yeah, here. Trying to give skeletons bows. Yeah, here I think was Maskeli. 3 weeks ago. Here, yeah, here is Maskeli. Здравствуйте. Yeah, here was Maskeli. When... Привет. I was only viewer. Wait, Maskeli is Turkish. Yeah, he's from Turkey. You will keep in mind that he's also reading chat. Cool, really. Yeah, but here we have other people. Look, Maskeli, it's not only you. It's not only you. We had there were 2 people back then. There were 2 people. Music. Can I make music for your clone? I don't need music right now. If I make a game of my own, I'll establish a team. Have to do dirty like that. Okay, I'm writing Clay's name down. Let's see now. I wish we could ever finish some of the longer animations, try to make it, end up taking break. Yeah, here I want to change this block hover. I have the wrong block outline because the raycast is not using the block state. How do you only have 40 viewers? You're amazing. Thank you, man. You're very kind. There are not many kind people on the internet. And there's the desert. Really genius understand, but I can't explain. If I understand correctly, Minecraft graphics sucks because you can't do fancy. There is a million of dynamic meshes. The graphics are fine. Why are torches spawning naturally? Because I wasn't able to place blocks. And I just put them as foliage. Now I can remove them. Kabachok. It's apocalypse. We can add a meteorite that spawns and destroys the planet. I consider myself a nice person, but I might hurt people when I was just kidding, so I'm sorry. Here's your game public? No, it's not. Also, at least current project management better than Java. Spawn billion zombies and it's perfect. I can spawn zombies. I can spawn zombies, but not a billion of them. But I can spawn a lot, maybe up to 1,000. Maybe up to 1,000. Let's see how many I can spawn. Oh, I died. Where are the zombies? Where are the zombies? I lost them. Doesn't matter. Why do you skip so many messages? I read everyone. If they're in English. Oh wow, I was in chat for 30 minutes. It's rare for me to enjoy a live stream. Yeah, and for me, time passes very quickly when I do the live stream. Like, I zombies rage quit. Said 3 messages and you somehow missed all of them. I seen this one. Answer Hori. So the thing I'm avoiding was this, to make the block outline actually be the right one. Let him call, bro. Let him. Wait. How do you make the generation every chunk union to mesh? One sub chunk. I just generate sub chunks, which are 16 by 16 by 16. Focus on coding. Yeah, okay. I'm focusing on coding. If there is an important message, I'll read it. If I don't miss it. Where is the... here, the raycast. The raycast. And here we get the block. This is the problem. And this is the problem. It's not getting the block state. Yeah, I like Box 2D. Box 2D is really cool for 2D physics. He didn't read mine. This needs to be... I need to get the block state. 66 viewers. I'm just ignoring chat. Bro, he not read mine. I'm reading chat, and I'm trying to prioritize the code. That's why, but I'm still reading it. I'm just not responding. Hey, can you add the clouds? I have the clouds here. Here I have the clouds in the Java clone. I'm reading all of the chat messages, but I'm not responding, since I'm wanting to implement a feature here, the block, the raycast, to use the block state. Because right now, it's using the wrong block outline. That's what I'm trying to do. And that's why I wasn't responding to chat, since I was focusing on chat too much. I'm doing it in C++, so there's no mod support as of now. Don't read chat at all if you get stuck. Yeah, but yeah, okay. You should add an overlay. Trying to get the main redstone point to not generate. No, right now it's just the outline, my focus. It's just the outline. Since it's going inside of the block factory, here, inside of the block factory, and it returns me a new empty class for the redstone dust, and it's not giving me the actual block state. But let me think about it. Bro fixes it but forgets to recompile. Can you make to how to code? No. Code yourself. If I do a tutorial, it will not be of help to many people. Like, for example, I did a tutorial for how to get Aspirite, And that was helpful for many people. That's when I do a tutorial. Here, the aspirate one. It was helpful for thousands of people. If I do coding tutorial, it will not be of such help because most people use AI. I've seen some streams using a Discord chat for streams. You could try that. I just hit Control S. It doesn't autosave. What I'm wondering right now is how to get the block state. I don't have a Discord server. I have a sticky button in the Java clone. I should really ignore chat. I should really ignore chat. Here. Here the rotations are have issues with ambient occlusion, but here it's proper. Like here is proper. How should I get the block state? I need what I'm like here. I'm doing it in the raycast, and wouldn't this lower the FPS if I get the block state here, because it's a lot of extra actions? I need to get the subchunk reference and from the subchunk to get access to it. The outline is custom. It's based on the mesh. Here it's based on the mesh, and here as well, but as of now with some complications. Like tutorials on YouTube are kinda gone. The algorithm doesn't promote them since most people, and even Stack Overflow is not even used anymore, since you can just ask ChatGPT and get a hallucination. That just gaslights you is the right answer. And you're like, I'm not sure, but I'll trust you. And then it's wrong. And then, oh, come on. And you debug AI code for half an hour and get no progress. It's so annoying. How to get the block state? I need a reference to the subchunk. Yo, what's up? What's up? System up and give money, please use their name. Thank you, man. I appreciate any support I get. This means a lot, even especially for the current times we're in. I appreciate it, but I don't want to encourage donations. You other chatters, don't ignore this donation. I don't want to encourage donations, but thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I should heart it. I didn't notice the heart. Use Cloud, not ChatGPT. Yeah, Cloud is like, I've tried all of the AIs, and from them, Cloud is probably the best. Cloud is probably the best. But I haven't used them a lot, so I'm not completely sure. An AI bro can probably give you a better answer. Yeah, Codex. I haven't used Codex. I don't know about that. I've used the mainstream ones, like the things everyone else uses. I'm not experienced with AIs. I'm not experienced with AIs. I cannot give you an answer on that. You missed my message. What's the problem you have? I'm trying to get the block state. I'm trying to get the block state. How show logo Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock? I just don't understand your message. That's why I haven't answered it. They're free and open source models. He's actually quite forgiving compared to other streamers. Make all block stages by other blocks. I need reference to the subchunk. I should abstract this away I should abstract this away. Subchunk, because I copy paste the same code. Let me think about it. Where should I abstract it away? In the world, actually. Here. Here, let's do it here. Static. std shared pointer. A block. Why not just update mesh and basically should update block outline? No, block outline is from the raycast. It's a different thing. You wrote it all by hand, crazy. Don't worry, Maskeli, I got it. Get block state. Get block state, and here, what should I use? Should I use position details? Do I need the position details? How do I get it here? Let's go to the mouse here in the main. The mouse here, when we right click, set block type. Yeah, I need the position. Yeah, okay. So instead of the world, in the 90s, it would be awesome to be programmer in the 90s, since the limitations of hardware made you a better programmer. How long did you think would take for Minecraft clone making to have survival mode? I already have survival mode. It was fun using physical documentation. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Just add dying and health there. I have dying and health. This is my survival clone, like the Java clone. I have survival. Now my focus is redstone, just redstone. Here inside of the world, I will need here position details, and let's get a reference. Now will be the hardest. See, and yeah, it will be hard, but it's an interesting challenge to have. It's a challenge I have fun solving. It's like a puzzle. It keeps me distracted. Like, instead of playing games, this is my distraction. Like, when I'm solving a problem, I forget about anything else. It's like I'm laser focused on the problem itself. I forget about everything else. For me, it's fun. Your distraction is reading chat. Reading chat. Yeah, my kryptonite is chat. Because I prioritize chat over the problem. C++ and Ruby for us. Do you know how the... Yelling at my home. Yeah. My kryptonite is chat. Yeah, I don't need this. And I'll get this. Yeah, that's it. And here in the world, let's do this. And here we'll just use the position details. And here, can I return null pointer? Yeah, I think. And here, set block type. Damn it. Here I just need to return. I just need to return the subchunk reference block states. And here I need position to index. Position to index. And here it needs to be the position details, so local block position. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah, okay, so now we have the block state. And I need to use it where? In the raycast, yeah. Raycast here. I need to use it here. So this is where I get the block. This is where I get the block. And let's do it like this. So world. Get block state. And I need this current block. And if this is null pointer, to set it to be this. Like that. Like that. This should be it. And we need to do it for one other place as well. Which should be here. Here I should be getting it somewhere. From the block factory. When I draw, actually here, when I draw. So block hover. Yeah, this should be this. And this should be the block type. And this should be called hover block. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now the collision box should use the updated like version. Oh, what happened? Oh, because it's no pointer. Oh, come on. Should draw face. Current block. Empty. Oh. No, where is the call stack? Where is the call stack? Here. Come on, man. Current block is empty. Like it's null. Why would it be null? Current block type. What's the current block type? Sup, hello, what's up? When I hover this, it's not telling me. It's not telling me what's the block type. Let's do the autos. Or the watch. Let's do the watch in here. Current block type. What are you doing right now? I'm trying to implement the redstone dust. Current block type. Why don't I have access to it? Okay, we can just look at directly the blocks. Epet's opinion on Neovim. I love Neovim, I love it. You're on wrong stack frame. That doesn't mean I only have... Yeah, I can just use the blocks then. Oh, it's type sand. It's for the sand. Really? Okay, let's search it up actually. Blocks. And then the index is this. Yeah, it's sand. It's for the sand block. Here. It's for the sand block. And current block is null. Why would be null? Block states. Blocks. What? Why would block states have 230 block states? Why are there 230 block states? Oh, because some of them are empty. Some of them are empty. So do we have 1133 block states? 1133 empty. It's empty. And so current block, yeah, this should be lowercase. Yeah, let's just restart it. So, how to be original on a video or community post, and gave some rules advice. Then him streaming every day, you really inspired me to do something. Yeah, nice Muskelly. Should draw face. Let's see in the commit what changes I make. Okay, I made too many changes actually. I made too many changes. Yesterday I learned he streams every day. What we changed is here the raycast. Actually, the raycast. Here we get block state. Okay, let's just have this version and remove this and start this to see if it's coming from here. Okay. And let's do it, and let's remove it for the drawing as well. Oh, I am doing it for the drawing. Let's do it for the raycast. Raycast here, and we need to do it here as well and remove this. What is LOC? Is it like the line count? Yeah, okay, the error is gone. The error is gone. Let's bring it back. Let's bring lines of code. I have no idea since I have multiple files. Raycast. Let's just remove the raycast part. Add LOD. Minecraft doesn't have LOD and I'll not add it as well as of now. Yeah, here the raycast. Let's just change the raycast back how it was. Yeah, okay. Okay. So it's from here, the issue. It's coming from here. So how do I get the block state? I return it. Dude, imagine someone else your code from all those videos. I've been here for an hour already. Nice. If somebody like looks at the code, like that's not an issue, since in a few weeks it will be completely different. Like my code changes a lot, like a lot. Like from project to project, it changes a lot. Even here my Java like implementations, now I do it completely differently. Here in Java I had a block data class, and now I have block states. Like it changes a lot, man. My code changes a lot. If you post a video, let me know. So wait a minute. So here I'm returning the shared pointer to a block. Oh, and it's probably returning something. Question, what is it? It's probably returning. Just color them. Add a color to them. Change your code out, make. In Minecraft, more problems with chunks. Yeah, I got what's happening. Here it's returning an empty, like here shared pointer. Let's see, shared pointer empty. What's that about? I don't know. How can I check if it's empty? Love your seal, bye Maskeli. Have to keep the grind. Maskeli is motivated now. How to... if get returns null pointer. Oh. I see. So, or if... Did you use AI for help? I avoid using AI. I heavily avoid it. Why am I... let's see now. Here, if it's not null pointer, then if get is null pointer. And let's do the same for when we draw it. Actually, we can always return one. I think. Here, when we get block state, instead of null pointer, to return std make shared block. How to return empty shared pointer? Create empty shared pointer. Return null pointer. Huh. But if I return null pointer, I cannot... Oh, I see. Okay, so we just return null pointer. I see. What release notes are you talking about? Oh, Mojang. Here I don't need to do this check, probably, I assume. And let's go here and here as well. If get is null pointer. Imagine you use the source for your Mac and you only have the compile version. No, I do git commits. Should draw face. Love from Tel Aviv. Freaking then. Oh, come on, man. Like, I don't get it what I broke. I broke something. If returns null pointer doesn't cause a seg fault. It, from what the guys on the internet say, I can just return a null pointer when the result is shared pointer, and it should have a get. Like here, where was it? Get block state. Here it returns shared pointer, so it should return an empty shared pointer when I do return null pointer. It should have the get thing. It should have it. And we need to lock in. We have 15 minutes to solve this. Say how that Microsoft action. We need to lock in. Doesn't have get, that the issue. No. This person is saying that if you return a null pointer, you'll get the empty shared pointer. Since the function has return type shared pointer. Yeah, they should become empty shared pointer. But that's the issue is something else. The The issue should be something else. And I need to figure out what. Okay, let's see what the issue is. When I, yeah, here. When I hover it. When I hover it, oh my god. Let's get out of release mode. Returning null sounds dangerous. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I think block get null pointer should be... No. Don't worry about it. Yeah, hit. Oh, okay. Yeah, now I get a proper response when I switch to debug mode. Hello, Toto. What's up, Toto? Transparent. Read access violation. This was null pointer. This is a null pointer. What's the call stack? Should draw face. Yeah, it's for generating the mesh. I don't get it. Why do you keep switching between debug and release when you are developing? Because release is faster. The terrain generation is extremely slow in debug mode for some reason. I still don't pair with... And this mistake here is happening for the sand block. It cannot do this. Oh, or is it looking for the neighbor? Current block, empty. Neighbor, redstone dust. Why is the current block empty? That makes no sense. Okay. We saw it. We saw the issue. When we removed this code, the issue was solved. The issue was gone when we removed this code. So it should be from here. When we get the reference, we are making changes to it somewhere. We're making changes to it somewhere. Can see new PayPal donation. Don't worry about it. Just enjoy the stream. You guys just being here and making me company is enough. Like, the YouTube has ads. That will create some kind of revenue. Like a few euros for a coffee, but it's still something. Subchunk ref. It's just the subchunk class, but the shared pointer towards it. Damn it. Oh, am I actually setting the... what do I do when I right click? No, right clicking should be fine. Coins for coffee. Right clicking should be fine. It's the raycast was causing the issue. You right click. What am I doing wrong? Oh, let's okay, let's simplify it. Every time I'm stuck, simplifying it helps a lot. Here, let's remove drawing the block outline. Let's remove the block outline drawing. This part. Right? Get block state. You know how in games... I mean, you're doing redstone, use minimal chunk size so that you're not affected by terrain generation debug. But yeah, but it's cooler to see the terrain generation. Let's see now. Let's comment all of these. All of this. Let's comment all of this. Let's comment all of this. Yeah, now we don't have block hovers. And let's remove the raycast as well. Let's remove the raycast as well. Raycast. Here is... Let's remove the raycast. Let's remove the raycast. Oh, if I remove the raycast, I will not be able to spawn blocks. Oh, I get what the issue is. Because spawning blocks depends on the raycast. It depends on it. If we mess up the raycast, when we spawn a block, that's where probably the issue is. Because I was looking at it here and it looks fine, but it's probably the change is. Let's see what we do when we right click. Mouse here. When we right click, we use the block hover. Block hover position, etc. And if it finds the sub chunk, it sets the type to redstone dust. Okay, let's change it here to the I don't know which one, to the anvil. Let's spawn the anvil. Let's see if that changes it. It's still the same issue. Guys, I need to lock in, man. We have 9 minutes left. I need to lock in. I really want to finish on a, with some progress, to not finish on an annoying bug that I need to solve tomorrow as well. I want to find a solution. Just work, don't look at chat. No, chill. It's fine. Hi, what's up? So I'm trying to get the block state. Do we actually get here? Yeah, instantly. We instantly get to here. So this is working. So most times there is no block state, most of the times. So we should be getting this. No, I'm not going to open source it. Can you mute? Chill on, guys. Stop hacking. Don't worry about it. Is the problem that here I'm getting the shared pointer to the block state, even though it's empty? Damn it. There is a let's remove. Okay, let's bring it back how it was before. And like it should be solving the problem like that. Let's bring it back like before. Yeah, it's working. Like if I bring it like it was before. This is exactly where we're doing the mistake. It's most likely because I'm not understanding shared pointers. Yeah, it's the old Minecraft music. So I have I always get here some kind of a share pointer. And when I do... What are you doing right now? I'm trying to solve a really annoying bug so that I can get my redstone dust. Why are you using share pointers anyway? Do you need a ref counted pointer? I'm using share pointer because smart pointers manage themselves. I don't need to delete them. And the two options are shared and unique, and I need share. No, if I use regular pointers, I'll need to manage them. I'll need to delete them. I want the smart pointers. Why would it be no pointer? I'm not sure. It's trying to add redstone particles. No, I'm not adding right now particles. Yeah, it's really confusing. Oh, I have an idea. Let's go to the mouse, right mouse. When we right click, we'll start a debug there and we'll see what happens. Here, let's remove now the breakpoint and let's add it again. Where? Let's see if we will reach the rake. No, it's even before this. I speak Bulgarian. Right before we right click, do I have a callback to the Raycast? No, I don't. I don't have. Bro started using K to write comments. Particles are just textures. Damn. No, what's the position here for the block hover neighbor? What's the position? Let's go down here. It seems fine, the position. Yeah, let's do this. I have an idea. But I'll need the... Damn it. He's being... Damn it. Block hover position. Direction towards player. Damn. Set block type. Man, this is really annoying bug. Hello, how is it going? I'm being tormented by a super annoying bug that I don't know how to approach this bug. Like I get it without even doing anything. Yeah, that's interesting. Why do I get it here? It's for when I draw meshes. Here, when I just start the game, and we have... we don't have enough time to actually solve it. And that's a bummer. Do you have a Discord? I don't have a Discord. That's a bummer. Yeah, I'll try for 1 or 2 more minutes. When you work, I'll try for 1 or 2 more minutes. Why would be null pointer? Get block, maybe get block, no. Get block always returns something, right? And here it just throws an error. Get block always, it cannot be null pointer. The issue would be from here. If block stakes contains, oh, maybe it's from here. Because if it's an empty shared pointer, oh, okay. I need to do it. Okay, I get it. Let's do this. Get if it's null pointer. If it's not null pointer, to get the block state. Let's do that. I'm not sure actually. There's no issue. How much RAM usage? Damn it, RAM is too much. Come on, man. Yeah, let's switch to release. How's the RAM usage? It should be 500 megabytes. Damn it. It's in the gigabytes because now every block has a empty shared pointer. Come on, man. I get what the error is. I get it. Come on, man. It's from when I'm creating the blocks. It's from when I'm creating them. Yeah, I get it. So in the sub chunk here, when I generate blocks, actually it's from the block spawner. Spawn blocks here, set block type here, has block state. Yeah, I got what the problem is, but we'll not have the time to actually fix it. Main. Let's bring back the redstone dust. Yeah, I'll summarize what happened today and we'll end it. Yeah, we get an error. We managed to... the summary is we managed to like finish up the... We added a block state to the redstone dust. Like this is the original Minecraft because my Minecraft crashes. But I want to use something to demonstrate to you guys the summary. We managed to add redstone state to the a block state to the redstone dust block, and using it we managed on placement to change the mesh, not perfectly. It was changing, but it was not changing to the right one. It was not changing to the right one, and the block outline was also not updating, and that's what I was trying to solve at the end of the stream. The block outline, and it had an annoying crash trying to solve it. I figured out why I get the crash, but we don't have the time for me to fix it, so I have to fix it tomorrow in the next stream. Hopefully tomorrow redstone dust will be completed, hopefully. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the stream. I saw here some like issues you had, but hopefully everything's good. Yeah. Bye guys. It was fun.